The youngest of its generation, STERILOMAX is the new generation disinfection cabinet. In the new normal, the most reliable solution for the fight against COVID-19. Developed by scientists specialized in the field of chemical weapons purification in the defense industry, STERILOMAX has been designed to serve as a one-stop solution. The temperature measuring device has been programmed to detect above normal body temperatures to respective units, while smart device integration provides remote data access. Its design includes a sensitive sensor technology which allows no contact use. Disinfection time can be adjusted automatically. Meanwhile, the 12-point spray system provides large surface disinfection. An intelligent spraying technology adjusts the disinfectant amount based on body size and height. STERILOMAX's industrial design and wide interior space allow access for all disabled and handicapped users. Designed with a holistic approach against viruses and bacteria, STERILOMAX offers the most up-to-date health solutions to institutions, organizations, and public areas. In the fight against COVID-19, STERILOMAX provides a health-friendly technology and a new generation engineering solution focused on hygiene.